Hi folks, it's Moz here and it's time for another catalogue video. I have on my workbench the Tamiya Catalogue 2025 and we're going to film it page by page. So if you've never watched one of these before, basically I just flick through the catalogue page by page and all you have to do is press pause whenever you like if there's something that you see on the video, and then you can see what models are available this year from Tamiya. If you don't like the music, just turn the music down. I'm not going to speak, it's just basically flicking through the catalogue page by page. Anyways, let's get to it. This is the Tamiya Catalogue for 2025. So, what's your thoughts? Nothing really new in there. A couple of models have gone out of the range now, obviously. Nothing really new. The lightning looks good, by the way. The pictures of the lightning look pretty good. But again, it's, you know, there's nothing really exciting coming out of Tamiya at the moment. What's your thoughts on that? Put them in the comments box below. That really does help. Anyways, that's it from me. If you like the video, click like. If you're not a subscriber yet, but you enjoy the content on this channel, will you please consider being a subscriber? All you have to do is click subscribe, ring that bell, click all, and you'll be notified when I release a new video. Any questions, any comments, leave them in the box below because I do reply. A huge shout out to my channel members who help me financially with this channel. If you'd like to become a channel member, please click join below and select which membership tier you so wish. We have a Thursday night live stream where we work off our benches and, you know, just for channel members, where we build models, talk about scale modeling and just basically have a laugh. In one of the four corners will be another video or a playlist of other content on my channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.